Okay, a quick rundown of how things went. It went well. I went ahead and put the light pipe on this radio. Turn it on. As you can tell, you can lift it up by the knob. You can lift it up by the volume knob. It's not going anywhere. I don't see that much difference between the two. I really don't. You know, you look at that. Look at that lit up. You look at that lit up. At the same time, it bothers me. And I'm going to probably get a hold of Doug. Break down and get those light pipes. I don't know. I only need 2 of them. You know, I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. But anyway, the switch out went well. Which one is it? This one. You can lift it up by there. You can lift it up by there. It's tight. It works. This battery is going dead, but
as you can tell, it works fine.
And that's a feat. Just to get the damn thing work. Just to get it switched out without fucking things up. That's a feat. But, yeah. What I'm going to do, I've decided to leave this yellow one, safety yellow. I think it looks pretty good the way it is. Why dick with it? You know, if I wanted to, I could always switch it out. But this is the unit that I put the flux into. And this is the unit that actually goes with the radio that's in this unit that I'm going to switch back because I think this one's in better shape. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap, when I get the VHF in with the rough housing, I'm going to swap this out because it's already got a B connector. This engraving, I don't think it's that bad. I think the case looks better than that case and that case. So I'm going to probably just leave, turn that into a VHF, then take that and I'm going to put that in VHF, and I'm going to, I'll have a B flux and I'll have another housing. Take the B flux out of that housing, put it in that housing, you know, put the accessories back on, get it working, and have a UHF in that. So, you know, I have a UHF with a B, UHF with an A connector, UHF with a B, UHF with a B connector, and a UHF with another A connector. So, if I said that right, anyway. Yeah, the batteries are going dead, but I got an ACTI charger. It's a 6-bay coming in. Got a killer deal on it. The guy shouldn't have put no reserve on it because I got it for a 99-cent bid on an $800 charger. Looks brand new. It looks in real good shape if it doesn't look quite brand new. But, you know, I mean, any radio charging unit like that does show a little bit of use, so it's no big deal. I've sold them, I've had them, I've used them. I've sold the single bays, I've sold the 6 bays. This one is a 6-bay. It comes with 6 Kenwood plates. I'm going to be switching out. I've got a deal worked out that I'm working on to get a hold of 6 XTS5000, XTS3000 combination NiCad plates. They're brand new, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the Kenwood plates off, put the ones that I need for these radios on, and keep that Impress charger just for the XTS5000. I don't like any Motorola charger, but the Impress charger is nice because it does have that recording feature where it keeps track of the battery life. I don't know if the Act will do that or not. And I've already got the Impress coming in, so I'm just going to use it for the 5000. They're not bad. The Impress chargers aren't bad, especially, you know, since they do have that recording feature on it. The $30 shipping on that charging unit, the ACT i10 charger, it comes with an eye gauge, and those eye gauges are expensive, and they actually enable the conditioning, because if you don't have an eye gauge on one of those chargers, they're not going to condition. And yeah, it's going to be nice to have. It's going to be nice to finally get one back, because the one I sold, I've been kind of kicking myself in the ass. I sold it for quite a bit more than I paid for it. Quite a bit. I couldn't pass it up. I had to let it go. But now I'm going to get another one. So I'm going to be able to run these batteries and recondition them, get them up to speed, know exactly how much gas is in the tank on these batteries. If they're non-impressed batteries, they'll work great if they're NiCads. The plates are chemistry specific plates, and these are NiCad plates, so they should work well. And yeah, I couldn't pass that up. $31.99 for the whole thing shipped, and it's coming UPS. No, it's coming priority mail. I turned down priority mail on my shipping on those because it's $26 just to ship it. So that guy's going to be out $26. Well, you know, he just sold that charger with the charging unit and the plates and the eye gauge for what? Do the math. $31.99. You know, I got a hell of a deal. I can't bitch. I'm glad to get it. But anyway, yeah, I'll do a video on that when it comes in. But anyway, yeah, it went real well with that, and yeah, it worked good. Tests out right. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one back into this one and keep that as a backup. But yeah, be careful when you replace a flex on these. These things are a pain in the ass, and they're hard. But once you get them in, and if you do it right, and if you know exactly where to put the pressure, where to relieve the pressure, you'll be doing good. But man, you can tear up a flex so easy. It's just a nightmare to, you know, it's like major surgery on one of these radios to get a flex out of the case. You wouldn't think so, but it is. It's all the little pieces you have to work with are so close to the flex. It's really, really difficult. But, you know, knobs are tight. They work right, and that was a good little victory for me. So, you know, if you screw things up, chalk it up as a learning experience and kind of move on, I guess. You know, you can only learn by actually taking something apart sometimes. And, you know, if you learn it the hard way, well, you know, suck it up and, you know, chalk it up to experience. But, yeah, you know, had the Lord on my side when I took that flex out, because I tell you, they're a bear. But it's successful, so I'm real happy with that. But yeah, just kind of a, you know, kind of letting you know how it turned out and letting you know about that charging unit I've got coming in. I'm real excited about that. Anyway, if you guys want tutorials, little video tutorials on the CPS, leave a comment on that video and let me know, and I'll upload them for you. They're not great because my camera work, as you know, sucks, but I'll do the best I can. Anyway, later on, guys, take it easy.